Welcome to Review Detective, guys. In today's video we'll be taking a look at the new DJI MAVIC Air, its pros and cons, and ultimately if it's worth buying. First thing you'll notice is that the unboxing experience is top notch, similar in fact to the unboxing of a new iPhone or other high-end products. Once the drone is out of its hard protective case, you'll notice right away the compact size of the MAVIC Air and the sleek design, giving it somewhat of a sports car look, especially with the vents in the back and the mean looking sensors up front. From up close, you'll be blown away at the attention to details and engineering behind this drone. All the cables are neatly tucked away and protected, the plastic materials used feel quite solid and resistant, and then you have small details like the folding antenna legs, 8GB internal storage, improved gimbal protection, and the addition of rear sensors, which are just some of the reasons why the MAVIC Air is ahead of its competition. Another reason for which the MAVIC Air is above its competition is its 12-megapixel camera that can now record at 100 megabytes per second, coupled with a tiltable 3-axis gimbal that will make sure you get silky smooth footage no matter what resolution you decide to record in. Here's an example. Now for those that are more into photography, you do have the ability to shoot in RAW, giving you added flexibility in post, meaning you'll end up with some decent shots as you can see here. Switching between video mode and picture mode couldn't be any easier. There are dedicated buttons on the back of the controller, as well as a dial to tilt the gimbal upwards and downwards. As with the drone, you'll find that there are multiple things to like about the controller, mainly the amazing grip on the thumbsticks, allowing for precise control over the drone, and the fact that they're removable puts this controller in a class of its own. So as you can see, my experience with the MAVIC Air has been mainly positive, and I wouldn't hesitate for a second to recommend it. But there are a couple of minor cons worth talking about, like the way the MAVIC Air wobbles when taken off, the rather short battery life at 21 minutes proves to be even shorter in cold temperatures or high winds, and removing the micro SD card can sometimes be challenging. But don't let these minor cons scare you off, and unless you're willing to wait for the more expensive MAVIC Pro 2, the MAVIC Air is one of the best drones you can get your hands on in 2018. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time. Until then, if you want to pick up a MAVIC Air for yourself, all the links will be in the description down below. Review Detective out.